Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson on life processes. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of biology and explore how living organisms carry out essential functions to maintain life. Let me define what a living organism is. A living organism, it can be a human, a plant or even microorganism. Everything is composed of cells. You know that, right? Atoms join together to form a molecule. Several molecules forms an organelle and different organelles join together to form a cell. Cells are the structural and functional unit of life. Like bricks in the buildings, cells gets organized into tissues and tissues makes up organ and the organs collectively form organ system and these organ system makes a complete living organism. To ensure the organism's existence and to prevent damage and breakdown of body, molecular movements are needed for life. Because of the effects of environment, this ordered, organized nature of living structures is very likely to keep breaking down over time. So if order breaks down, the organisms will no longer be alive. So living creatures must keep repairing and maintaining their structures. Since all structures are made up of molecules, they must move molecules around all the time in and out to maintain the balance. For example, during respiration, the gases move across the membrane with oxygen enter the bloodstream and the carbon dioxide exiting. Through this mechanism, the blood is oxygenated and the carbon dioxide, the waste product of cellular respiration, is removed from the body and ensure the organism's existence. Let's define what we mean by life processes. Life processes are the basic activities performed by living organisms to sustain life. These processes include digestion, respiration, excretion, locomotion, circulation, and reproduction. Life processes are necessary to maintain the life of organism. The energy is obtained from nutrition, gets absorbed by digestion and carried through the body by circulation, and the waste is eliminated by excretion. Just like how we need food to fuel our bodies, living organism also requires nutrients to sustain life. So what exactly is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which organisms obtain and utilize nutrients for energy, growth, and repair. It's like fueling up your car for a long journey. So, without proper nutrition, organisms would not have the energy to carry out life's activity. Some examples like for respiration, the exchange of gases enabling the cells to produce energy. Excretion eliminates metabolic waste products from the body and maintaining internal balance. Then what is nutrient? A substance which provide nutrition to organisms are called nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins and fats are required in large quantity and hence they are known as macronutrients, whereas minerals and vitamins are required in small quantity and hence they are known as micronutrients. There are two main types of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Let's explore one by one. Autotrophic nutrition. When we split the word autotroph, auto means self, troph means nutrition. The organism which have the ability to produce their own food using simple inorganic sources like water and carbon dioxide to form glucose is known as autotrophs. The process of obtaining nutrition through their own food is known as autotrophic nutrition. For example, all green plants and bacteria. Plants get their own food by the process of photosynthesis. On the other hand, in heterotrophic nutrition, the word heterotroph is splitted into hetero and troph. Hetero means other, troph means nutrition. The organism which cannot make their own food from inorganic sources and depend on other organisms for food are known as heterotrophs. The process of obtaining nutrition from other organisms is known as heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition can be further divided into three types. They are saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition. Let's see it one by one. Saprophytic nutrition. In saprophytic nutrition, the organism will secrete the digestive juices on the food directly. The food is digested outside the body of the organism. Okay. The digested food is then ingested by the organism. All the decomposers follow saprophytic nutrition. For example, yeast and mushroom. Next comes parasitic nutrition. The organism which lives inside or outside the body of another organism. That another organism is said to be as host. To derive the nutrition from the host, that is known as parasite. So this mode of nutrition is known as parasitic nutrition. For example, tick, cuscuta and tapeworm. Next comes holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, after the food is ingested, the digestion happens inside the body of organism. So you have to know the difference between saprophytic and holozoic. In saprophytic, the food is digested outside the body by secreting digestive enzyme on the food. Whereas in holozoic, the digestion happens inside the body of organism. Understood? So most of the animals follow this mode of nutrition. Example, human and amoeba. I hope you found this session informative. Thank you for watching and I'll see you back in next topic, nutrition in plants. Do subscribe for more videos.